Fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a mind-blowing journey into the future. This isn't science fiction. We're diving into real-world tech gadgets that are transforming our lives today. From augmented reality glasses that enhance your vision to 3D printers that conjure up culinary creations, the future is here, and it's brimming with possibility. Discover how these innovations are reshaping our homes, workplaces, and even our bodies. Number 1. Smart glasses with augmented reality. Forget bulky headsets. Sleek and stylish smart glasses are the new frontier of AR. These glasses overlay digital information onto your real-world view, enhancing everything from navigation and language translation to gaming and shopping. Imagine getting step-by-step directions right in your field of vision or seeing virtual product demonstrations before you buy. Number 2. Holographic displays. Say goodbye to flat screens. Holographic displays bring 3D images to life, creating immersive experiences that feel incredibly real. From interactive educational tools to breathtaking entertainment, holographic displays are revolutionizing how we visualize information and interact with digital content. Number 3. Self-driving cars. The dream of autonomous vehicles is becoming a reality. Self-driving cars are not only safer, reducing the risk of human error-related accidents, but they also promise to transform commuting. Imagine being able to work, relax, or even take a nap while your car handles the driving. Number 4. Drone delivery systems. Waiting days for a package to arrive will soon be a thing of the past. Drone delivery systems are rapidly developing, promising faster and more efficient deliveries. Imagine ordering a pizza and having it delivered to your doorstep by a drone within minutes. Number 5. Brain computer interfaces, BCIs. BCIs are the ultimate fusion of mind and machine. These devices establish a direct communication pathway between the brain and external devices, opening up possibilities for controlling computers, prosthetics, and even communicating with others telepathically. While still in the early stages of development, BCIs have the potential to revolutionize how we interact with the world. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, buddy. See you in next video. Bye.